Here's a quick guide on checking your penalty charge notice fine online. Most councils now have online portals where you can pay the fine, see details or start an appeal. You'll need your PCN number and vehicle registration number for this. Most councils now have online portals where you can pay the fine, see details or start an appeal. You'll need your PCN number and vehicle registration number for this. And if there's no online portal, then you'll need to call or email the council. A penalty charge notice is a ticket given by the council or TfL, Transport for London, for breaking parking rules on their property. This can happen if you park for too long, you don't pay the right fee, or you park in a restricted area like a bus stop or disabled space. You might get a PCN in different ways. You could get it handed to you by a parking officer, left on your car windshield, or sent through the mail if the violation was caught on camera or you drove away from an officer. People often confuse a penalty charge notice with a parking charge notice, and that's because they share the same initials. A penalty charge notice is issued by the council and it's legally enforceable. A parking charge notice comes from private parking companies and isn't legally enforceable unless they take you to court. Check the details on your PCN carefully. Make sure that the date of the offence, your name, address and registration number are correct. If there's a mistake, contact the council immediately. Also, make sure you take down the date that you got the PCN because you've got limited time to pay or appeal. Paying within 14 days usually reduces the fine by half. If you choose to pay your PCN, then you can do it online and you'll get instant confirmation. If you pay by cheque or phone, check the payment status through the portal, or you can give the council a call to make sure it's been received. Payment delays can happen, especially with cheques, so keep track to avoid missing deadlines. If the details on the PCN are wrong, especially about the violation, then you might have reason to appeal. Make sure all information is correct and question any mistakes with the council. To contact your local council, use the official government website to find their contact details or search for their website directly. If you have lost your penalty charge notice, there isn't a way of tracking it down online. What you'll have to do is contact the council who issued it with your car registration and the date that it was issued. Be aware of parking ticket scams. Fake tickets often have poor spelling and grammar, unrealistic issuing authorities, and they normally demand immediate payment. Real PCNs give you time to decide and they're never sent by email. Always check the legitimacy of a ticket before you pay. Dealing with a PCN is common, but knowing the process and your rights makes it a lot easier for you. Verify your PCN details and use official channels for payments and appeals. If you've received a scam ticket, double check before taking any action. Now, if you're wondering whether you have a strong appeal and you want to run it by a professional, you might want to use online solicitor JustAnswer. They run a £5 trial where you can ask as many questions as you need. What I'll do is I'll leave a link underneath this video for you, and if you do use it, you'll be supporting the Debt Advice Service, so thanks.